all the way out then?
It will, I just loosened it.
Yeah, I'm just going to start taking it.
I'll use this. And there's a magnetic parts tray. One of my...
Do you want these things out of there, or something?
You can leave them there. That one, there should have been one there.
Okay.
Now, normally we wouldn't have to open this side to do the battery, but I want him to see the duct work. So under here, see this piece? Now, very important to not damage the trim.
Can you get that wrench, or you still need that?
So basically you have to take these off. We need a special tool. Plastic clamps.
Yeah, that's what I got. Custom built
There's one of these on each side. Okay. And then this just
pops up.
snaps.
So where are those, you have those pieces then?
They're still on that thing.
Still in the, okay, I see they're still right here.
And now this is important here. It's very important you pull this forward, and you have to press down, pull it like that. This has to come first, and then this piece will come out without breaking the tab.
We take this all the way out? Or
Nope, just leave it like that. And then here, you have to reach behind, pull off those tabs, and then like this, and then there's a wire here, and it's easier to pop the light out and disconnect it. Usually easier, like this. Okay, and then that piece is gone.
We pop the light out first, and that way
you can get to the
access.
Connector easier, yeah. This is a smart key receiver that's in the way, so we will need electricity to run the Dremel to Dremel off these studs.
I'll go look for
Yeah, or maybe ask Jack to, could have done first, just take the orange plug out.
Oh yeah.
For safety.
Yeah.
Now the car is dead. And generally it's good to unhook the 12-volt battery as well, but we should write down the customer's radio stations. But I like you put from the ground of the battery to the ground of the car somewhere. That way when you disconnect the ground strap it doesn't spark. Because there's a current path.
Just to keep from sparking.
It's more when you're connecting it up and you're disconnecting it. So then when we disconnect this, the 12 volts is off, the high voltage is off, so the car is safe to work on. Now in order to get access to the high voltage battery, we have to take this cover off. To get this cover off, we have to move the seat forward. So we use a 14 millimeter.
Yeah.
So basically, you can start undoing all those. They have 11s on them. You can just loosen them. Then you press this out of the way. I just leave it like that.
So it's only those 2 bolts in there?
Well, yeah.
Okay.
But the seatbelt's kind of moving up. We'll give you a copy of the video.
Yeah.
去加多几件，它本身已经有酒精，有些是在里面。混合式的嘛，它原来已经有电池，我就加大一点那，能够家里充电，通常就用电来启动。
So these are not the same kinds of bolts as here?
Correct. They have 11 on the side.
这个改车的回味多大。
This is another cover?
Yeah. There's one down here. Yeah. They're actually 10 bolts. The other ones say 11, they're actually 12 millimeter finish.
Okay. Little tens.
So here's the high voltage relays. This is the battery side, this is the car side.
This is the battery?
This is the battery side, this is the car. This is a current sensor. Now, I want to see how Jack prefers hooking up on which side and if he goes through the current sensor or not. We'll ask him that. This is also what's called the ready wire, which would be a good place to tap into instead of in front of the car. That's
For the momentary switch?
Not the momentary switch, just to put the car into what's called or to sense that the car is ready, which is kind of like how the system is operational. The other thing we have to do is we have to Dremel these off, we'll get power.